What does it mean for these assets to be tokenized? It's kind of important to establish because there are a lot of different ways that we talk about tokenization, especially in the payments industry, right? Tokenization is just coming up with an alias number for a credit card so you can use that without touching PCI. The way that I like to describe how possible this is now, whereas it wasn't even 15, 20 years ago, is to think about how the internet made it really, really easy for us to send things like MP3s around. And what's super interesting about the blockchain and what Satoshi Nakamoto invented back in 2008 is the idea that we can finally move things from one device to another device in this totally verifiable way without trusting anyone in the middle. This is peer-to-peer electronic cash. And so the idea is that if I was to send you a photo through a text message, that photo would leave my phone and it would go to your phone and I would no longer have possession of it. And that suddenly makes that photo valuable. Because if that thing is leaving my possession and going to your possession, it's not proliferating infinite times and then copying every time it moves. So now we can tokenize almost anything using this blockchain. That's really what it does. And that anything could be the things we are holding in our pocket, like our bank account balances and maybe our insurance policy or things like that. But it could also be very intangible. We could tokenize our identity. We could tokenize our brand.